I love telling people about DriveSure because they're shocked. You're giving me a free tire just for coming and getting an oil change. I get tow assistance. I get, a battery jump. They're really surprised, and I love seeing that look on their face.
The value of DriveSure definitely makes us different in the fact that we are the only store in the area currently offering it. And it's something that they can't get anywhere else. That they can't go to the Jiffy Lube, they can't go to the little local mom and pop and get the same benefit. DriveSure's impact on the willingness of the customer to return is huge. One, they get the benefits of the roadside, they get the benefits of the tire protection. The drawback is huge, specific to us because it is tied back to us. We see about 2.38 times per year on a return.
It is worth the investment. Make the investment, give it 6 months, and watch your retention for the next year. When your customers feel cared about, when your advisors are on board, they're selling tires, you're selling tires, and you're keeping that customer retained.
DriveSure's roadside assistance and the 800 number, their response times are quite a bit faster than what we see majority of the manufacturers. Plus, it drives specifically back to us. So, if it's a questionable tow with a manufacturer on the borderline between us and another store, the manufacturer is going to tow to the other store, whereas ours would tow us back to here.
It's worth the investment. Do it, do it, do it.